Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Miss English Channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Emily.
Hello, Emily, and hello to all our amazing listeners around the world. Thank you for joining us today. It's a beautiful day to learn English.
It really is. The sun is shining, I had a big cup of coffee, and I'm feeling full of energy. How about you, David?
I'm fantastic, thank you. In fact, I think today is going to be a great day.
And there it is, our topic for today, the future.
The future? Oh, wow. Are we talking about robots, teleportation, time machines, flying cars?
Not today. Today, we're talking about your real-life future. Your plans, your decisions, your dreams.
Ah, yes. Much more useful than flying cars. But I still want flying cars.
Being able to talk about your future is extremely important in conversations. Imagine trying to make weekend plans, talk about holidays, explain your goals, schedule appointments, make predictions, set dreams or life goals. You need future grammar for all of that.
Yes, I use future forms every single day. I will call you later. I'm going to meet my friend. I'm working tomorrow. It's everywhere.
And the good news is, the future in English is actually simple and logical.
Yes, even beginners can learn it quickly.
But students often confuse will and going to.
So today we're going to fix that forever. Before we jump in, we have a small favor to ask.
Please subscribe to Miss English Channel.
Hit that like button, share this episode with a friend, and help us help more people learn English.
All right, let's go to the future. Let's start with going to. We use going to for plans or decisions you made earlier before the moment of speaking.
For example, Emily, do you have plans for Saturday?
Yes, I decided yesterday that I'm going to visit my sister.
See? She decided earlier, not right now.
Now, you, David, what are your plans for the weekend?
Let me think. Well, tomorrow I'm going to clean my room.
Good. Anything else?
Yes. I bought pizza this morning, so tonight I'm going to eat pizza.
You and pizza, but that is another perfect example. Repeat after us. I'm going to study English tonight. I'm going to call my friend. I'm going to travel next month. I'm going to buy a new phone. I'm going to watch a movie tonight. Okay, listeners, quick test. Which is correct? You are at the airport. You bought a ticket last week. I, blank, fly to Japan today. You see your friend carrying heavy bags, and you decide right now to help. I, blank, help you. You planned to see a movie tonight with your sister. We, blank, watch a movie tonight. Answers: am going to fly to Japan today. Will help you. Are going to watch.
If you got them right, great job.
Now let's talk about will. We use will for decisions made in the moment, promises, offers, predictions without evidence. Imagine the phone rings.
Ring, ring. I'll answer it.
You didn't plan it yesterday. You decide now. Use will.
I will help you. I will call you tomorrow. I will always support you.
Those are promises. And people love promises. I think it will rain tomorrow. You don't have evidence.
I think she will win the competition.
Repeat.
I'll open the door. I'll check my email. I'll take the next bus. I'll talk to him.
I'll bring the drinks.
And native speakers talk fast. Going to becomes gonna.
I'm gonna eat. I'm gonna go to work. I'm gonna watch TV.
Important. Do not write gonna in a formal message or email. Use it only in speaking or with friends. Let's imagine a scenario. David, tell me about your dream holiday. Use going to.
Okay. Next year, I'm going to go to Italy. I'm going to eat pasta. I'm going to visit Rome. And I'm going to learn to make pizza.
You're obsessed with pizza.
I know. I am what I am.
Listeners, your turn. Say your dream holiday using I'm going to. We'll give you a few seconds.
That sounded amazing, whatever you said.
Now let's practice will versus going to in a restaurant. What would you like to eat?
You look at the menu now. Decide now. I'll have the spaghetti.
Yes. When ordering food, I'll have is extremely common.
But if you already planned it before arriving, you could say, I'm going to have the steak.
But usually, I'll have. We also use special words that show the future. Here are some. Tomorrow, next week, month, year, later, tonight, soon, in 2 hours, on Monday, this weekend, next summer, someday.
Time markers make sentences clear. I'm going to study tomorrow. I'll call you soon. We're meeting next week.
Now, an advanced but important point. We can use present continuous to talk about scheduled future events. Examples. I'm meeting my friend at 6. I'm flying to New York on Friday. I'm having dinner with my boss tonight.
These are not ideas. These are appointments. Fixed.
100% happening.
Okay, Emily. Big question. What are your goals in the next 5 years?
Well, I think I'm going to learn a new language, maybe Spanish. I love how it sounds.
That's great. In 5 years, I'm going to write a book.
Really? That's amazing. I will buy the first copy.
Thank you. See? A promise. I will buy.
Let's tell a small story using future forms. Listeners, try to identify will, going to, and present continuous. Next Saturday, I'm going to visit my grandparents. We're going to cook a big dinner. In the evening, it will probably rain, so I'll bring an umbrella. On Sunday, I'm meeting my friends at a cafe. We're going to study English together.
Great story. Could you hear all the future forms?
Now it's your turn. We'll ask questions. You answer using I will or I'm going to.
Questions. What will you eat for dinner tonight? What are you going to do this weekend? What will you do if it rains tomorrow? What are you going to learn next year? What will you do when you get home today?
Okay, quick summary. Going to equals plans. Will equals decisions now, promises, offers. Present continuous equals scheduled arrangements. Gonna equals informal speaking. Use time markers to show when.
This was such a fun episode. We hope you now feel confident talking about your future.
Yes, please write in the comments. What are you going to do this weekend?
Don't forget to subscribe Like the video and share it with your friends.
Thank you so much for listening.
Have a wonderful future.
Goodbye, everyone.
See you next time.